Hi, it's Amy, and today we're going to do some cute little tortie nails. Hope you enjoy. So to start, we're going to go in with the nude pink Shy Time, which is my fave nude for all of these, because we're going to have some negative space, so we need a background colour. I'll put these in to cure for 30 seconds. So once they came out the lamp, we gave them a second coat and they've gone back in for another 30 seconds. And now we're gonna, on a form, I've already put some Bonsai, Warm Fire, Serious Black, and a little bit of courtesan. And as you can see here, I've mixed these two colours here with a little bit of the gel top coat to make it a little bit more translucent. So on our first nail, I'm going to take a little bit of that made up mixture, just going to draw a heart. Happy with that? Pop that in the lamp. On our second one, we're going to do similar. I'm going to draw a heart, but this time leave the heart as the negative colour. And then fill in the rest of the nail. Then once you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp. So when our first one comes back out, we'll give it another quick going over, but this time we don't cure it. What we're going to do is pick some up of the bonsai and place it. A little bit of Serious Black, just dot that over. You happy with that? Pop that back in the lamp for 30 seconds and do the same with your second one. A little bit of bonsai. And then a little bit of Serious Black. Make sure you're happy with that before you pop that in the lamp. Again for 30 seconds. Make it a little bit more translucent. We'll go back over one last time. Just to soften it up. And then pop that back in the lamp. And then the same with this. On our third one, while they're curing, just go in, making sure to have no bubbles. And this one will just go straight in with bonsai. And Serious Black. And then pop that one in the lamp for 30 seconds. And these two have come out. I'm going to take a little bit of courtesan, and on this one just follow the heart round. Outline it. Pop that back in the lamp. This one we'll go back over with our mix, just one last time to soften it all up. And then whilst we're waiting for that one, we will top coat these two. Now with this one, get a lint-free wipe, some gel residue wiping solution, and just clean that down. Because I'm going to go in with some of the nails foil glue. A bit of that on a form, and using the 001 brush, load that up. And then we're just going to outline this tortoise shell. Making sure we go around the full nail. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then when that one comes out, we're going to use some of the foil from there. Cut a little bit off, and just stick to the foil glue. And we're happy with that. Top coat again with the gel top coat. And cure for 30 seconds. And there you have it, some cute little torties. Thanks for watching. Everything that we've used today will be in the description box below, and click that subscribe button.